if you want to enter into a clinical trial for obesity right now, the options that as you get into it, we either put a patient on placebo, meaning just some basic diet and exercise advice, or we put them on a new medicine. But we live in an era where there's really good medicines. Why would you put someone on a placebo, right? Let's put somebody on an existing medicine that we know
Right.
the risks profile for, we know the advantage profile, and then compare it to new medicines moving forward. That's what we do in every other disease state,
Mm,
but we're not doing that in obesity right now. We
mm,
actually force people into it, into a therapy where there's probably only a 5 or 10% chance that they're going to have a great result. And the reality is, we
mm.
would never do that if it was diabetes. You would never tell a person with diabetes that in order to be in a clinical trial for the new diabetes drug, you can't take any of the existing diabetes medicine. You can
Yeah.
only have diet and exercise, right? But we do that with obesity. And again, another example of
Mm.
how we're somewhat treated differently as people with obesity.